Exploding myths and providing key takeaway advice for gardeners at any level. This book provides a shortcut to decades of gardening experience by explaining the science behind how a garden grows. How often should I water my plants? What's the most effective slug deterrent? Could I breed my own unique variety of flower? Do plants have intelligence? Does it really matter when and how I prune? And why is my compost heap so slimy? If you find yourself seeking the answers to these questions and many more, then this may be the book for you. The world of gardening can be a mystifying place, with so many instructions to follow and often little explanation as to why. Dr. Stuart Farrimond casts his scientific eye over the garden to answer all the horticultural questions you've ever wondered about. From hands-on, practical advice, to an exploration of the mental health benefits of gardening, whilst also covering topics such as the positive impact gardening can have on the earth during a time of climate crisis. Find the link below and buy the book now.